channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this soft glam makeup look. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette to achieve this look, and it's super simple. I'm very positive you can do it. I actually used no lashes, but you still get that glam effect. I also used the Bite Beauty new foundation, primer, and setting powder. I received these products complimentary from Influencer for reviewing purposes, so thank you so much, Influencer, for sending them to me. I absolutely love them, and you get to see me use them in this look. So I'm gonna stop talking. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using two primers. This one is by Bite Beauty. It's the Skin Optimizing Primer, and it's for oily skin. And for that glowy look, I'm going to be using the Ole Henrickson Banana Bright Face Primer. It has a little bit of luminizing accents in it. I kind of focus it in this area, but yeah, this is gonna help to give that glowy look. So for foundation, I'm going in with Bite Beauty. This one is in the color T110, and it's a buildable medium coverage, but honestly, for me, it's like full coverage. It literally is like a full coverage foundation, kind of, for me. Taking a damp blender. Something I've been doing is like setting throughout the process. So I'm using my Produi Natal Moisture Mist. I love this stuff. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Honey. I'm setting with Huda Beauty in the color Pound Cake. Okay, and I don't really contour, I just bronze, and I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Bajan Gal. Now I just blend everything out. Bite Beauty pressed powder in the color Tan 2 to just blend everything out. This little trust issues and kind of just to add a little highlight. I go in again with the moisture mist because even though I like the matte look, I don't like to look powdery. This Kevin Aucoin palette, I'm using this highlighter. It's Flash. Love this. Just regular lip balm. This is one of my favorite lipsticks right now. It's by Huda Beauty and it's in the color Interview. Love this lipstick. The NARS Mascara Climax. I don't have my stand, but I did my makeup I started at like 6, finished like 7:30. So I want to see how this makeup holds up for the whole day, basically. So let's see. This is like a wear test, yeah. So let's see how it holds up, guys. Let's see. So it's 1:22. It's 6:53 p.m. I just got home from work and I'm tired. I'm already laying down. This is what we're looking like. I'm feeling this. I feel like we're still looking great here. So I think I'm gonna do one more check-in, which will be like right before I go to bed, right before I take off my makeup, and that will be the final test. So let's see.